Hello, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn about comments. Let's go ahead and create a new class and name it comments. Let's go ahead and check this, which will automatically create the main method for us, and hit finish. Now, this is a line that was automatically generated, and it says to do auto-generated method stub. What this basically is a comment, which means it does not belong in the executable code. When you compile this Java class, whatever bytecode gets created, the .class file gets created, will have no reference to these comments. Comments are basically text that is added to the code to explain why we are doing certain things, or to basically include text in the code that are not necessarily executable statements. There are two types of comments in Java. One is this way. This is called a single line comment. For example, if I type int number equals 20 and then I change that to 40, and let's do a print. Number is number, right? Let's go ahead and run it first. You see number is 40, right? Now, if we don't want this assignment, we want to keep the number to 20, but we don't want to delete this line yet, you can just do slash slash save. As you can see, Eclipse changed it to a green color, which is a comment, default color for comments. So this is not an executable statement any longer. If you were to run it again, now you see number is 20. So this line basically did not get executed. Now, so the single line comment is not just used for commenting out statements that you don't need. You can actually use it to say this assignment is not needed any longer because of a new requirement. So what this basically says is you got a new requirement, which is why you commented it. You don't need this any longer. So you can add text like this to your code. So when you reference this code later, or you're reading this program later, or somebody else is reading the program, comments basically help them understand why you're doing certain things in the program. So that's basically the single line comment. And as you can see, you don't need a space after the two slashes. You can if you want to make it more readable. There is another type of comment which is called a multi-line comment because was a single line. Multi-line comments go like this: a slash and an asterisk, and you close that by an asterisk and slash, basically the reverse of it. Whatever you type between these two don't get executed. So you can say number equals 40, number equals 50, doesn't matter. None of them will get executed because as you can see, this is all in green color. Anything between this block and this will not get executed. Again, you can enter some more text here. This assignment is not needed. If you were to run it, you would still get number is 20 because this is the only executable statement. Everything else is commented out. So this was the single line comment, and this was a multi-line comment. Comments are really good. We always encourage programmers to add as many comments into the code as possible because since this does not get into the executable code, you're not necessarily increasing the size of the code, but you're creating programs that not only you, someone else can also read later and understand. So it's a very good practice to add as many comments as possible to your code. So let's go ahead and follow that in our future videos also. And that's basically comments. Thanks for watching.